this part 2 of making the Kurumi statue?
Và hành hụt hả? Mệt ở.
And I already
Nhưng mà camera xin. Already okay.
I already kind of put some, so I'm gonna put some more. Okay, so this.
Toán này. Vậy mới camera hả?
Okay, so next we put this.
Faster. Chụp chành ở đây không mới tí. Bác bạn đặt bài một mà. Và hành đấy, bài một con anh tích, sòng na, một screen cái này. Nghiện tích. Ta con đã tiết là luôn phải nhấp. Đã thao tiền mà má. Luôn phải nhấp. Cái mà này. Chích chanh, con này thơ luôn mà. Thì tí ấy. Tốc lên thổi chiên ấy thôi. Chấm chặt cho. Thầy cá chiên thấy nó nhâm nghiệt ấy thế. Chiên tới. Sẽ chết chặt.
This one.
Chà. Má nào tiết ơi, xong faster thì mà. Wow, so nice. Cái mà có. Chẳng tiết chẳng thật vì đại bơi sọt tha tới phải dòng phó cho tiếp tục tới hay. Ok, ta cùng tay hụt nó và hai hụt nó cứ. Sạch đây. Lương chết ăn đi tê ai. Cô này và con này mơ hoàng đang bằng đi thực đại cái lại mơ tụt túi nè.
Without further ado, let's just get right into this. First, start by searching
Mơ hụt cái mơ đặt không
Right
hay.
here. Gonna do shrimp meat. Oh, I am
Bạn
really
nói.
back to see what comes up. Let's watch the first video. Hi. So you come across my YouTube channel? I really hope you enjoy my videos. Bye. Oh, that was a good shrimp, not a heater. False alarm, guys. But I didn't find stop eating shrimps. Fry acting mommy too. Why did you add me? Shrimps deserve a better life.
Anh này cơ.
Oh my, I guess they just wanted to show me their purple shrimp recipe.
Cô này.
I think I'm obsessed with these shrimps. Okay, those were cute little shrimps. So far, we're not finding anything bad. We're finding good
Không hay
shrimps.
lẽ.
Tráng hột trên kia kẹo bắp không.
Lên đằng tới. Hay ọc mơ không nè. Mấy chầu.
Why did you yell that when they were just whisking eggs? Like, are you an
Bán hay
egg
cho
now?
không?
Eggs. I think this might be the yellow egg.
Đại ha.
Okay, so I guess. Not now, I don't think you should be suspiciously eating yellow shrimp raw. Like, in fact, they're. So now that I'm established, I don't want bubbles. I'm not a bubble guppy.
I'm internal.
Let's watch cooking gotcha shrimp.
I know, right? You thought I was failing you? No. That late on lunch. Thank you for watching my cover.
How did eat with that one? Oh, that bleep of mine.
Cô nè. Careful mà.
Today we will be cooking shrimp.
Con yêu.
Why does the shrimp look like Peppa Pig? Well, you're the shrimp we are cooking.
Kìa.
Please, Sam. You cooked the Peppa Pig shrimp. Why?
Nó phải thử ai?
That kind of looks busted though right there. I don't
Guys, guys.
ដាក់អាប់គុំលើក្បាលនឹងហើយសិនចាំដាក់គុំលើក្បាលតុក្កតា
Fresh and shrimp comes to McDonald's. Always these type of customers. Man, this is a McDonald's.
Xin lỗi.
Chất thải này.
Ơi, ở hay nè.
Why is girl having another
Sao tôi phải nhìn tôi không?
sell shrimp and no fear no. Okay, now I'm deciding I'm gonna make her a pink shrimp. So she's pink. I gotta make her hair look like wet, like she's been in the ocean.
Nghe faster. Chết ở hai bà.
And I gotta do
Hai
silly
này
little
cái
eyes.
mắt.
We need the little
Ở chết careful chẳng cần.
Can't be out here looking like
Con bà.
mermaid. And I was thinking of putting a mermaid tail, but I realized this looks bad. So no, she's gonna have little legs and a shrimp tail because that's how gotcha shrimps are traditionally. And I gotta name her. She's Shrimpy.
Vui, tập bật túi này.
And let's see her
Uyên
reaction.
là bay.
Oh no, not another shrimp. Let me guess, you're here to complain about our fried shrimp on the menu.
No, I'm not done worse.
Oh, you're not? Oh, you know, 10 minutes ago we had one having a meltdown with her janky boo-boo bear.
Oh, don't worry. I would never do that to you guys. I am a good shrimp. Anyways, I would like to order the fried shrimp meal, please.
You want to order one? You're a shrimp.
Chị thấy.
The strength of someone cooking shrimp is not going to change the fact they already cooked that shrimp and ate it. And the way there's always
Em môi tên
another
Việt
shrimp
mà
holding
Việt
them
nè.
back. Like, they always tell you the little shrimp friends. But I just realized they do not have antennae.
Cô yêu pin cái mới, cô này đặt cái sữa mà mấy thứ ta nữa đó.
You're exposed. Well, why are you using my friend's OC?
Đi bái cô hãy nè.
Look at her, like, what did I do? Okay, these shrimps are funny. That was a fire edit though, but why did you make her fight her own friend?
You are not the shrimp, please. Please, I
hả almost finish so nice ở luôn mà con clean bay nè ơi ôi 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 cặp bạch thôi lên lên đặt lá
อย่าไป
clean đạm chanh nè
บ้านไม่ขึ้นไปอะไรนอนตรงนี้
à tè
Okay, so that's
bà hãy xin bà hãy hả bà hãy một chật một tuần nãy đặt vai một cái này à tè ngày nhiều thôi bye bye say goodbye hết
okay, so that's it. So now bye.